Hello my dear students, welcome to your GK class. Today we will study chapter 4 Plant Healers. But before it we will look at the previous class homework. In previous class I had given you to learn about flightless bird. Okay? So number first, name the bird which is a great swimmer found in the Antarctic region with white abdomen. So now, can you tell me name of this bird? Yes, this is penguin. Okay. Question number 2. Write the name of a largest flightless nocturnal bird of New Guinea. So this is cassowary. Question number 3. Which is the national bird of Australia? Which is the national bird of Australia? So this is emu. Emu is the national bird of Australia. Question number 4. Write the name of the largest flightless bird of South America with three-toed feet. So what is the name of this bird? This is rhea. This is rhea. Question number 5. Name an extinct smallest flightless bird in the world which is also a songbird. So this is Lyall's wren. Okay. Question number 6. Write the name of an extinct flightless bird of Mauritius. So this is dodo. This is dodo. Question number 7. Which is the largest nocturnal parrot of New Zealand that lives on the ground but is a good climber also? So this is kakapo. This is kakapo. Question number 8. Name the fastest running bird found mainly in the desert of Africa. So this is ostrich. Okay. Now we will start our today's chapter. Today's chapter number 4. Plant healers. Since time immemorial, people have been using flowers, barks, seed and other parts of plants to cure disease and wound. These healing methods are known as herbal therapy. Herbal treatment methods like Ayurveda are extremely popular today. Okay, it means बहुत टाइम पहले से ही पीपल पौधों के फूल, barks में छाल, barks में छाल, सीड और पौधों के अनेक भागों को किसी भी रोग के उपचार के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. So these healing methods are known as herbal therapy. And now this time we are seeing herbal treatment method like Ayurveda are extremely popular today. Okay. Given below are the pictures of some medicinal plants accompanied by information about them. Recognize them and write their name with the help of the given clue. Means in this chapter, by using this clue, you have to find out the name of these plants or herbs. Okay. So now let's start. Question number 1. Name the plant which is the king of herbs. It is a sacred plant and it also helps in curing cold. And as per the Indian mythology, people are worshipping these plants. So Now, can you tell me the name of this plant? So, this is basil. Basil or tulsi. Okay? Number second, name the plant whose leaves are bitter, but its oil is an excellent antibiotic, and it is found around you. Have you ever seen? And or can you guess the name of this tree? So this is neem. This is neem. Number third, name the herb whose seeds and leaves are bitter flavored, but it is help in digestion. So this is fenugreek. This is fenugreek. मीन्स इसकी बीज और इसकी पत्तियाँ जो कि बहुत कड़वे होते हैं, बट ये डाइजेशन में बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होते हैं. ओके. नंबर 4, नेम द प्लांट whose oil is an expensive perfume and the paste of its wood is good for acne and pimples. So this is sandal tree. This is sandal means chandan. Okay. Number 5, name the plant whose fruit is full of fiber. It grows in coastal region and oil of its fruit is edible and it is an excellent body conditioner and we used in maximum in cold time for conditioning. Okay, and it grows in coastal region like Goa, Kerala, Karnataka, mainly south side. So now can you tell the name of this plant? So this is coconut. Number 6, name the plant which we use as a flowering agent in sambar and rasam and are also a good insect repellent. We are used as a flowering agent in sambar and rasam. So what is the name of this plant? This is curry leaves. This is curry leaf. We also known this plant as methi neem. Curry leaves are methi neem. Okay. Now you can see here. Do you know? Do you know? The dried stem of the neem tree is chewed to strengthen teeth and gums. Neem is also used to guard against smallpox. And now this is your homework. You have to learn and write about given plants. Okay?